INOD stock analysis and INOD stock prediction in this brief and short 1-minute video. I'm going to be breaking down my exact play and everything. And as of now, with Innodata, 7% down, which is not small deed. Having done 42,000 videos myself over 5 years, you bet I've seen what's actually printing me money and what's not. Especially as I'm sitting here, you can see it was sitting at 29 bucks at a time. I milked it up. Here's the proof. Boom. It was 35 actually, then it came a little bit lower a month ago. Since that has delivered, now it's pulling back down yet again at 39. Honestly, I do think it's even better because it's deeper pull down. It will only really make sense if there is a double break in order for me to buy. And if not, bro, I guess I'm not buying. Like, people are here overcomplicating stuff. Bro, it's not that deep. I mean, you can make it as deep as you want. That's why I say it's very subjective, but I'm sticking to something that I've tested, and that's not financial advice. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, want to learn, stay tuned with INOD, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.